Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Kremlin Call Smashers ang Escola 25-13, 25-12, 25-15. Best player of the game si Kyle Negreto matapos nagtala ng 15 excellent sets. Pinataob naman ng Signal HD Spikers ang Farm Fresh 25-16, 25-10, 25-18. Best player of the game si Jel Cayo nasa likod ng kanyang 6 points mula sa 3 attacks, 1 block at 2 aces na may kasamang 13 excellent sets. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng PBL Invitational Cup as of September 6, 2024. Kurashiki Ables, 2 wins, 0 loss, 6 points. Kremlin Call Smashers, 1 win, 0 loss, 3 points. Signal HD Spikers, 1 win, 0 loss, 3 points. Escola, 0 win, 2 losses, 0 point. Farm Fresh, 0 win, 2 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ngayong September 8, 2024 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maglalaban ng Signal HD Spikers at Escola ng Thailand alas 4 ng hapon. Magharap naman ng Kremlin Call Smashers at Kurashiki Ables ng Japan alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.